Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Shark Flexstyle. I'm also going to be using it on my hair, and my hair is very curly as you can tell. So we're going to see how it works on curly hair. Here's the before of my hair. It's about 75% dry, which is what it should be even if you have curly hair. I used to do a blowout with my hair soaking wet, and that is so bad for your hair, so don't do that. Before we start, I am going to put some products in my hair. I'm just going to re-moisturize it a little bit with this leave-in. And I'll leave a bunch of links in the description of this video of all the products that I use and that I recommend. And I also wash my hair with Olaplex, which is literally my favorite products in the world. I barely have any of this left, but it's the Olaplex number 6. So I'm just gonna use it for my blowout. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Alright, so here's the box that it comes in. And all of this is just some extra information. If you want to check this out, check it out on their website. They have the same thing on their site. So I got the diffuser attachment for my curly hair. I'm not going to use it in this video, but I do have a short on it if you want to see it. And then we got the round brush. And then we got the 2 wraps. And I think they have, oh yeah, they have a left and right. And this is the concentrator. Okay, now for the blow dryer. Okay, this is what it looks like fresh out of the box. So pretty. You can also turn it this way. I'm not going to be going over specs or anything. You can check that out on their site, but it does have a cool shot. This is to change the air pressure, I guess, and then this is for the heat and the on button. Okay, so I'm going to plug it in and let's get started. So with blow dryer brushes, you kind of need smaller sectioning if you have curly hair. So I ended up doing half of this section on this side. Okay, so here is the difference between the curly side and the blow dry side. It's pretty smooth. There's a slight bend in it, but it's not too curly. I was using this on the highest heat and I didn't even notice. So whenever I used to use my Revlon, if you've seen like my old videos where I would blow out my hair, I would use the highest heat because with curly hair you kind of need that like heat to really smooth it out. When I would use the Revlon, I would be sweating, like dying. It was so hot and my hair would always feel super hot, but my hair doesn't really feel like that hot, and also the brush doesn't feel too hot. I feel like I should go over it one more time because it looks a little bit puffy at the root, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish the rest of my blowout on this side and then I'll show you guys as I'm doing it, but I'm pretty much gonna only be using the round brush part. And then once I'm done with that, I'll try the little wraps. I am so wrong. I just realized that this first section, the heat wasn't even on at all. Like, so it was literally on cool, I think, and it did this. So I've never even tried that before, but I just did it and I'm actually so impressed that it got this straight with literally barely any heat. So like if you did want to try doing your hair with this and not like give yourself heat damage, you could get it pretty straight and then maybe just flat iron like the roots. But I'm like shook because I thought that you needed like a lot of heat to like straighten curly hair, but this isn't too bad for not using like any heat. Okay, but I am gonna actually turn it up for the rest of the video because I want it to be like as sleek as possible. So I'm probably gonna go to number 2. Maybe I'll go to number 3 if I think I need it. But yeah, that's crazy. Okay, now that I've used the proper heat setting, the bend of the curl is a little bit more prominent, so I am probably going to stick to a little bit of a higher heat setting. I only used the second heat, and this was so fast. Like, this is half of my hair, and it's already done, and I actually timed it. That was less than 3 minutes to do just this bottom section of my hair, and my hair is pretty thick, so that's just very impressive. Look at the difference. Okay, let's finish. I want to be very transparent. Shark sent me this blow dryer in about September, and they originally sent me the blow dryer before it even came out. So I guess it was like a pre-launch, or I don't know, something, but they ended up emailing me and telling me that they've like improved their technology since the one that I have, which kind of makes sense because I had it before it even launched. But I honestly do notice a difference. So before I had to use the third heat setting, like for sure I had to use it, but now my hair is really smooth with just using the second heat setting. So I do notice a difference in the newer ones. My curly hair versus the blow dry. It's so smooth, and okay, let me be honest. Normally if I blow dry my hair like this, I am gonna put a little bit of a flat iron to the root just because my hair is super curly and it honestly needs it. So let's check the roots. They have a slight bend to them, but they're pretty flat. I'd say just for this blow dry brush, it did get them pretty straight, so I'm kind of impressed by that. It's been 10 minutes since I started my blow dry, so this is what I've done in 10 minutes. I've also been like talking to the camera, so that takes away a little bit of time. But yeah, I feel like that's pretty fast. Okay, so for this top section, I'm gonna split it in half and work on this back section first. Oh my gosh, guys, I also just realized that I was using it on only the first pressure, air pressure. I don't know if you can see it, sorry, but I wasn't even using it on the highest air pressure. So I'm gonna turn it up even a little bit more just to see if it gets even more sleek. But I am so dumb for not realizing these things. Like, I should have paid attention to that. But what the heck, it was actually like still super powerful. And like I said before, like I already gave y'all the review on what it was like. So it's crazy that it was just on the first one and it got my hair this smooth. So let me try it again. So that was another 5 minutes using a little bit more air pressure. I didn't notice a huge difference using it just one notch up, so I'm going to try it one more notch at the highest one and finish the rest of my hair on this side. Okay, I'm gonna let my hair cool like this, but here's the difference. Here's the curly side, and here's the smoothed out side. So that was about 20 minutes of me blow drying my hair. I was also stopping to talk in between, so give or take less than 20 minutes. And then I was also experimenting, so that's crazy. I feel like that's pretty fast, especially for me having like thick and curly hair, and then it kind of eliminates the process of flat ironing, so that's pretty fast to go from like just washing my hair to looking like this. So I'm gonna put a little bit of some frizz dismiss in my hair. My hair needs like serums and oils, so I always have to put like this kind of stuff in my hair. Okay, so I do like the way my hair looks. My only thing is I do want to give it a little bit of curl, so I will be trying these out. I'm actually going to save this side of my hair for TikTok, so I'll come back at the very end with my totally finished hair, but I'm gonna keep it curly for the rest of this video probably. So my review on this attachment is, I was gonna say I wish there was a little bit of a smaller one, but after doing my hair, I totally love this size. I think it's perfect because it doesn't make it too curly, and also if it was smaller, that would mean I would have to take even smaller sections, which would take a little bit longer, and I'm in it for the fast game. Like, I want my hair to be smooth pretty fast. I don't mind if I have to run a little flat iron through it, but just having this result is like really awesome for me, especially having like this as the before. So I'm gonna switch over to the curling attachments. And this one, I believe this is the right side. Oh no, so I should be using the left actually. If you want your hair to curl backwards on the left side, you'll use the left side. But if you want it to be towards your face, then you'll basically use opposite ones. And I also found out that you can do this. Say you lost your other side of the curler. What you'll do is do one side like this, and then on the other side, turn your blow dryer like this, and then you're gonna go upside down, and then it'll make it curl backwards. So that's a little hack for you. Only complaint is I wish that these were a little bit bigger, or they had the option to get a little bit bigger ones, because then I feel like it could grab more hair. Like I said, I want to get my hair done like fast. Like I want to be in and out. Like I don't want to spend too much time doing it. So I would love if it grabbed bigger pieces, even if that meant a looser curl, because I don't really like my hair super curly anyways. But I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair. So this is what my hair looks like all curled. I haven't brushed it out yet, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more of this Frizz Dismiss, and my camera battery is gonna die, so I'm gonna finish the rest off camera and on TikTok. But this is the curled side. What do you think? I actually love the results, like without even having to put any flat iron to my hair. I love what it does. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you would get this Shark. This retails I think for $250 and then with tax $280. So let me know if it would be something you would want to try, or if you're gonna stick to your blow dry brush, what your routine is, and let me know if you like my results too. Okay, I finished my hair. It was so much faster to do it off camera without having to explain things. But I want to also give another bonus hack. After I finish doing each side of my hair, I twist it and then clip it while it cools. And I feel like this is more of like a curly hair thing, because our hair gets like really puffy easily. So yeah, I do this. I'll take them out now. I'm pretty sure it's cooled by now. I absolutely love the Shark. Like I love it so much. I can't even believe that I can get results like this with just a blow dry brush. Honestly, might end up straightening some pieces of my hair. Today I probably won't, but maybe in a few days if I want to like touch it up. In this video, I kind of compare the Shark a lot to the Revlon, and honestly, they're not really comparable. They're not at all the same product, and they're not even in the same price range. It's just what I've used before. So this is like a major upgrade to me. I've been using it since about September, and I haven't really noticed like crazy damage. And I feel like my hair is getting longer. I know I need a haircut, but I don't know, like I love this machine. Holidays are coming up, so maybe you can add it to your Christmas list. Ask everyone in your family to pitch in a little bit to get you one. But it's honestly a great machine. I would definitely recommend this over probably any of the other dupes online, because I know that we see a lot of really cheaper like Dyson dupes. This one is probably going to be your best bet because the technology is just as good. And like I said, visit their website to check out all the technology they have. I don't really go over it in the video because I don't really know that much. I have really nothing else to say. I love it. I love the results of my hair. And if you want some more like blow dry videos or curly hair videos, just let me know. I can film as many blow dry or curly hair videos as you guys want. Just let me know in the comments what I should film and I'll do that for you. Okay, sorry if it wasn't in focus, but thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more hair videos. I also have a podcast I just started and I'm going to be filming it right after. So stay tuned. And also I have some videos on my shorts using the Shark. If you want to go look at my shorts, I have some on there. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!